Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to participate in the Tabi Airdrop. So this is an ongoing campaign which you can participate in to maximize your chance of getting an airdrop. So I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step guide on how you can participate in this campaign. So this is a community-driven marketplace on the Binance Smart Chain. So they have raised like $11 million from Binance Lab, Animuka Brands, Hashkey Capitals, and others. So I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step guide on how to participate in this campaign. So this is their official Twitter handle. So sales, invite your friends and unlock incredible rewards together and airdrop reward. So you can see the word here. So you can see an airdrop reward. So for you to participate in this campaign, there's a chance of you getting an airdrop. So drop a link at the description of this video, because if you use this link guys, it's going to increase your chance of getting an airdrop. And you can see on the screen guys, this is the link, this is the code. Make sure to follow it. So I'm also going to drop it in my Telegram group, because I normally drop quick information in my Telegram group. So make sure to join my Telegram group for more information, and I'm going to break it down for easy understanding as well. So this video is here to guide you on how you can go about it. So after clicking on the link, what you need to do is to connect your wallet. So you can connect it to any wallet of your choice that you are using, but it is advisable you use MetaMask, because I have a friend that tried using Trust Wallet, it is not going. So make sure to use MetaMask. And if you don't know how to add MetaMask extension to your browser, be it the browser on your PC, on the browser or your mobile phone, please make sure to watch this video. I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. It is going to guide you. So like I said guys, for you to start, you need to connect your wallet. So I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet. So you're going to wait for my MetaMask wallet to open. Alright guys, so now what you need to do is to click sign. And please, if you are hunting for airdrop, make sure you have a wallet that is mainly for airdrop. So if I'm hunting for airdrop, I normally use my airdrop wallet. So now what you need to do is to click sign. Alright guys, so you can see I just connected it to my wallet. So now I'm going to switch to the Binance Smart Chain, because this project is under Binance Smart Chain. Alright, going to switch this to Binance Smart Chain. Alright guys, so you can see on the screen I just connected my wallet to the Tabi platform. So now these are the steps for you to follow. So we have step 1, the Sailors quest, step 2, invite quest, and step 3 is Reddit quest. So we are going to start with the step 1. So for the step 1, get your wallet ready for the gold. Okay, we have done this because we connected our wallet. Connect your Discord account. So now you click connect. Now it is going to direct you to your Discord. Make sure to log in your Discord using the browser you are using to perform these tasks. Now you click authorize. Alright guys, so I just connected it. So you can see it here guys, I just connected my Discord. So for step 3, you need to join them on Discord and acquire the role. So I'm going to show you guys how to go about this. Please don't rush this part. Be careful, because you can make an error here. So what you need to do is to click join. So once you click join guys, it is going to direct you to your Discord. Alright, you click accept invite. Alright. Alright guys, so this is what you need to do. You click complete. You go through this information. I have read and agreed to the rules. Okay, click it, then you click submit. Alright guys, so Let me take it down. After clicking submit, you click verify. All right, so this is what they are asking for. React to the country to get yourself verified. So react to this sign. So this is what I was asked to do. I'm going to look for it. All right, guys. So I've reacted to it. So now click on get Islander. So all right, row added to Islander. Now you click on get voyage. Alright, still waiting for it. Alright, so added row get voice. So this is done. Now I'm going to go back and click verify. This got tax authentication fee. Please confirm you have got your row. So just click join now again. Let's wait for it. That's why I said you should not rush this part because it can be confusing. So I'm going to go back to our Discord. All right, so let's see. Alright guys, so verify. Okay, let's try this again. Get voyage. Alright, row added. Done. Now let's go back and click verify. Still the same thing guys, so let's see what is wrong. Alright, so click on get your voyage row. Let's see. Now you click here. I was asked to select this. Okay, this is for me. Now you come here guys, you go to get voyage row. Alright, so you click here. Okay, so added row, add voyage. Now we go back here and we verify. Okay, so looking at it guys, I just verified my row. Now what you need to do is to connect your Twitter account. So you click connect now. Make sure to log in your Twitter account on the browser you are using to perform these tasks. Alright guys, then it's going to direct you to your Twitter account. What you need to do is to click authorize app. So this is my Twitter account for these tasks. So once you authorize the app, it's going to take you back here. Now you click OK. You can see that you are going to see your Twitter details here. You are going to see follow Tabi. Now click follow. But if you click there guys, it's going to direct you to Twitter. So once it directs you to Twitter, what you need to do is to just click follow. So I'm already following them, so no need of me performing that task. So now I'm just going to verify it. Okay, so now broadcast your journey to your mates. What you need to do is to click on broadcast, say this, say that, blah blah blah. Now you click tweet. All right, after clicking on tweet, you go back and you click verify. Okay, verification fee. Please complete the first task. So I just did this. So let's see again. Alright guys, so you can see verification successful. So we just performed the first task. So get your wallet ready for the goal. That is, you need to connect your wallet, connect your Discord, done, join blah 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 and acquire the role, done, connect your Twitter account, done, follow Tabi, done, broadcast your journey to your mate, done. So now they are going to give you NFT. Just make sure to claim it. But before you can claim this NFT, you need to have a little amount of BNB chain in your wallet, maybe like 0.5 or $0.12 worth of BNB chain. So you just click claim. So I have a little amount of BNB in my wallet, so I'm just going to claim this. So it is going to open your wallet for you. So for me to claim this, I need like $0.21 worth of BNB to claim this NFT. So now just click confirm. Just wait for it to process. So you performing these tasks, guys, it will surely maximize your chance of getting an airdrop. Please don't miss it. So you can see, guys, transaction successful. I just claimed this NFT, and it's not a must for you to claim the NFT, but this NFT can be a big booster for you getting the airdrop. So now let's go back. All right, so let's go back. We just finished step 1. Now for step 2. So I'm going to come back to step 2. So if you cannot perform maybe step 1, you can perform step 2, because step 2 is all about inviting people to this campaign. So I'm going to get back to step 2. I'm going to go to the Reddit quest. So you click Reddit quest. So connect your wallet. We already connected our wallet. So connect to Reddit. So for you to connect to Reddit, you open a Reddit account using the browser you are using to perform the task. So I already have a Reddit account. What I need to do now is to just connect now. So I'm going to connect it to my Reddit. Wait for it to load. All right, guys. So this is my Reddit. Now I'm going to just allow it and see. Alright, guys, so looking on the screen, I just connected my Reddit. So they are going to give you another NFT for just connecting your Reddit. So make sure to claim these, guys. So let's see how much they are going to charge me for claiming this. Alright, guys, they are still going to charge me $0.12 worth of BNB. So altogether, guys, I was charged $0.24 worth of BNB as of the time of making this video. So you just click claim. Alright, guys, so looking on the screen, transaction successful. So the transaction was successful. Now we are going to go back. So we just finished step 1 and the Reddit quest. Now for step 2. So for you to begin step 2, what you need to do is to copy your referral link. Okay, I'm going to see your invite link. Share it to your friends for them to partake in this quest. So if you have, invite 5 friends to get a copper box. So for you to get this third NFT, that is the Bruce artifact, you need to invite like 5 friends to partake in this campaign for you to unlock this NFT. So it is very important you claim this NFT, because this is going to maximize your chance of getting an airdrop. Very important, guys. So if you have missed out on previous tasks, please don't miss out on this, because it's going to help you. So according to the team, guys, this will surely qualify you for an airdrop, and a lot of people are participating in this campaign. So make sure to participate in it so that you can maximize your chance of getting an airdrop. Please don't forget to use my link. I'm going to drop it at the description of this video, and I'm also going to drop it in my Telegram group. So make sure to join my Telegram group so that you not miss any quick update about a legit airdrop to participate in. So guys, this is how you can participate in the Tabi tax. I'd love to hear from you what you think about this. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you, guys, and many more grains to your wallet.